Island camping? On a jet ski? Why not? We'll figure it out. Stay tuned. What an adventure this is gonna be. All right, guys, here's the rig. We're ready to go. So let's take a look. Okay, we made it. That was terrible. We'll never do that again, but we have to do it again to get off the island. So I don't know. We thought we were gonna sink the jet ski. I guess overweight. It was causing some problems, but hey, we got to the island. Gotta make one more trip. Grab pillows and blankets. Those are light. We should be okay. So let's take a quick look around.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
Let's take a look at a typical campsite on Long Island, Lake George. This is campsite 43. It comes with a dock, so if you have a boat or a jet ski, you can pull right up to your dock. Okay. There's 4 things that come with every campsite. Number 1, you get your picnic table. They're all numbered too, in case anybody moves them. And your outhouse. So it does come with an outhouse. All right, there's a platform. So we put our tent up on our platform. It fit almost perfectly, but it's a pretty good size. Looks like a 10 by 10. So you should have plenty of room for your tent. And then your fireplace. Pretty cool. Good area. Lots of wildlife. I've seen about 6 deer on this island since I've been here in the past 24 hours. There has been a raccoon. Caught him last night getting into my trash. And lots of spiders and bugs. But pretty cool. You're really close to the water. It's a little rocky out there, but if you have water shoes on, it's great for swimming. I've been swimming in it all day, so pretty cool. Luckily we got the Blue Eddy charging station. I made a video of that, so check that out. But this thing is amazing. We had all the string lights lit up last night. Those are our LED lights. We have a light that's in the tent itself. We've charged 3 or 4 phones already. Those lights are running for till about midnight. I went to bed, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 5 hours. So let's see where we're at from a power perspective. Oh, you can't see it so well here, but I can see it. Oh, there you go. You can see a little bit. Still full power. We're drawing nothing off of this thing. So right now we're charging 2 phones. Look like it's sucking out 17 watts. But we're definitely gonna have the whole weekend on one charge. So pretty cool. Really excited, happy I picked this up and get to use it.
Yeah. Hopefully the fire will dry the air mattress.
It's so pretty.
Just get a towel and dry it.
No, honey, it's like dry. Ooh. Keep going.
Is that okay?
A little bit more. Oh, you have with me.
Yeah, I have.
Don't eat it yet, okay? I'm not going to. I'm just getting it ready on my lap.
Morning from Island Base Camp. Collected some wood, got a little fire going, saw a bunch of deer in the woods, pretty cool. It was pretty cool camping out here last night. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then sit by the fire, enjoy some coffee, and go ahead and try some fishing. So stay tuned. Stopped at the water's edge marina, gassed it up. First time at a marina gassing up, and grabbed some breakfast sandwiches. So now heading back to the camp so Lindsay and us can enjoy a breakfast. But it's beautiful out this morning. Take a look. Okay, we're back. Got this sandwich for the marina, breakfast sandwich, sausage, egg, and cheese. Ooh, ooh, that looks good. Look at that big bass. Lake George, New York. Hey, wave into the boat. Glen Island is another campground area and group of islands where you can camp, New York State campgrounds. They have a store here, so you can come by, grab a coffee, snacks, ice cream, get some firewood, whatever you need, and it's located on an island. So you pull up to the ramp and get the needs that you need and go about your business. It's just so beautiful up here. Next time we come out, we do some island camping. Even though we said we may not, we're definitely going to. And this would be the area we're going to go.
This is like the nice rocky area. This is where I used to go when I was a little girl.
I live here right now.
What an awesome experience. Thank you so much for joining us, watching the video. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button and really help us out and support our channel. Thank you so much. Don't cut out early on this time-lapse video of the sunset. It's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching.
You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did